Hi all, this is Selvajin here. Welcome to my networking channel. Today I'm going to discuss about IP addressing and subnetting. IP address is a 32-bit binary number which is divided into 4 octets. It is used to identify machine or PC. It is represented in dot decimal notation. Example is 192.168.100.10. Subnet mask is used to differentiate the host and the network portion of the IP address, or it is used to calculate the number of networks in an internetwork and to calculate the number of hosts under each subnetwork. 255.255.255.0 is a subnet mask which can be written as /24. /24 we call it as a slash notation which indicates how many bits are turned on. So here /24 means totally 24 bits are turned on, and gateway it is used for accessing the internet or an external resources. So 192.168.10.10 is a host IP and 192.168.10.1 is a gateway. /24 is a slash notation. So for this slash notation, this is a subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and also keep in mind both the host IP and the gateway should remains in the same subnet. Let us see the IP addressing type. First is a class A we are using for smaller network. The first byte identifies the network portion and the last 3 bytes identifies the host portion. It ranges from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. Class B we are using for medium networks. It ranges from 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. So the first 2 bytes identifies the network and the last 2 bytes identify the host portion which is used for medium networks. Class C, it ranges from 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255, which is used for larger networks. The first 3 bytes identifies the network portion and the last byte identifies the host portion. Class D we are using for multicasting, and class E is used for research. So purpose of subnetting. Subnetting is used for breaking a single network into multiple smaller portions. So each and every portion of network we call a subnetwork or subnet. It is used to reduce the administrative task and to optimize the network performance, and it is also used for reducing the network traffic. So let us see us take a single network. So it is a class C network. First 3 bytes are network portion 192.168.10.0/24. So this till 24 bits are turned on. So I can write the subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. So the host range in between 192.168.10.0 to 192.168.10.255. So here 10.0 is a network address and 10.255 is a broadcast address, and default I can have 254 hosts in the class C network. So host address always lies in between this network and the broadcast address. So we should not assign network or the broadcast address to the host. So let us see the slash notation for 25. So /25 indicates 25 bits are turned on. So I return the 25 bits in a 1. So these are 8.8.8.1. So totally 25 bits. So 25 bits are turned on and remaining are the 7 bits. 7 bits turned off is the host bits. So from this I have to write the subnet mask. Since in the last octet this bit is turned on, right? So this is 128. So I can write the subnet mask as 255.255.255.128. So this is subnet mask, and then take the last octet. Since it's a class C network, take the last octet. So 2 power 1 is number of subnets. So number of subnets is 2 power 1, that is equal to 2 subnet, and the number of hosts is 2 power 7. 7 minus 2, that is 128 minus 2, that is 126 hosts. So here I am subnetting a single network into breaking a single network into 2 portions, right? Each and every portion of network we call it as a subnetwork or a subnet ID. Under each every subnet ID there will be the host range. So totally there are 126 hosts. Here a 126 host, and here we have 126 hosts, and 127 is a broadcast address, and here 255 is a broadcast address. So the host range always between the network and the broadcast address. So I have written here like subnet 0 subnet and second subnet is 128. 0 will have the first host as 1 and the last host as 126 and 127 is the broadcast address. And for subnet 128, 129 is the first host, 254 is the last host and 255 is the broadcast address. So subnet 0 has host range in the range of 1 to 126. I told in the subnet 0 there is totally 126 hosts and subnet 128 has host in the range of 129 to 254. And this 127 and 255 are the broadcast address for /25 network. So now let us see the /26 bit notation. So same way with the /26 totally 26 bits are turned on. So it will come like that 8.8.824 and in the last octet that is 2 bits are on. So totally 26 bits are turned on. So these are the bits are turned on as a network bit and the remaining bits off are the host bits. So from this you have to write the subnet mask that is 255.255.255. So this will come as 2 power 7. This will come as 2 power 6. So 128 plus 64 will be 192. So I'm writing it as 255.255.255.192 as a subnet mask. And now I have to calculate the number of subnets. Take the last octet. So 2 power 2 is 4. So totally 4 subnets and host is 6 bits, right? So 2 power 6 minus 2. So why minus 2? I should not assign the network or the broadcast address to the host. That's the reason I'm putting minus 2. 2 power n minus 2 is 62 hosts. So totally there are 62 hosts under 4 subnets. So there are 4 subnets. Each and every subnet has 62 hosts. So here I have written single network I am subnetting into 4 portions, right? So here 0, it will come in the multiples of 64 because I am minusing from 256 minus 192 is 64. So that's the reason I'm writing in the multiples of 64. 0, 64, 128, 192 is the first subnet. And under the each and every subnet, so this is a host 162, this is for 0 subnet, for 64 subnet 65 126 are the host range, and for 128 subnet 129 and 190 are the host range, and for 192 subnet 193 and 254 are the host range, and these are the broadcast address. So there are totally 4 subnets. These are the host range and the broadcast address. Let us see about class B subnet. So class B, first 2 bytes identify the network portion and last 2 bytes identify the host portion. So I can write the subnet mask as 255.255. So it contains last 2 bits on. So third octet 2 bits are on, right? Third octet. So 128 plus 64 is 192. So I'm writing it as 255.255.192.0. So if you are counting the total bits, it will be 255. That's the reason we're writing it as 255. It will come as 128, 64, 32. So if we are adding up all, so it will come in 255. So 255.255 and the third octet this to count these 2 bits. So this is 128 plus 64, that is 192.0. So this is a subnet mask. From this subnet mask, then I have to calculate the number of subnets. So number of subnets, take the third octet. Since it is class B, take the third octet and see the number of bits, 2 bits. So 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is 4 subnets. How many host bits? Totally 14 bits or off bits. So 2 power 14 is number of hosts. Same way I can write it as multiples of 64. Why 64? Totally 256 minus 192 is 64. So I have to, so it will start from 0, 64, 128, 192. So I am putting in the class BS 170.16.0.0. Take the last one. 64.0, 128.0, 192.0 is the network address. And the first host address for the subnet is 0.1 and the last host address is 63.254 and 63.255 is the broadcast address. Same way for the second subnet, 64.1 is the first host, 127.254 is the last host and 127.255 is the broadcast address. So it goes on like this. So always host address lies in between the network address and the broadcast address. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos.